Hey, what's up, everybody? Caleb here with Abstract Auto Customs. Today, I want to give you a little rundown on my 2012 Kia Optima SX. It's a 2.0 turbo, obviously. It is a factory unopened engine and a heavily modded factory turbo. Kia has bought me several engines and several turbos now over my, 8 years of owning this car. But anyways, I have too many mods to list, so those will be for another video, several videos. Anyways, today I am getting rid of my factory internal electronic wastegate and adding a precision 46 millimeter external wastegate. And then I'm also going to add a Go Fast Bits G-Force 3 electronic boost controller. And currently I'm running 26.5 pounds of boost on my modded turbo, and we are maxed out on the wastegate. I cannot make any more power. And I want more power. Our goal is over 400 at the wheels on pump gas plus methanol at altitude. So I'd say it's pretty darn good. And I believe it will be possible with all these mods. So obviously I'll have an install video coming and some dyno vids in the near future once I get everything back together and get the car running again. So today I figured I'd get a little cold start and just show you guys what it sounds like before I tear it all down again. Because she's a lady in my driveway, but a freak on the highway. Yeah, I hope you enjoy what you see and want to come back for more. Please like, subscribe. You know what to do. Thank you.